I remember the first time I saw a video inside a Tesla Gigafactory. It looked like a scene from a sci-fi movie. Robot arms waving, sparks flying, massive panels being sculpted into sleek cars. But this isn't a movie. It's just Tuesday at Tesla. Tesla's production line isn't built like traditional car factories. It's effectively a giant machine that builds smaller machines. Elon Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine, and it's very literal. The factory is the ultimate product Tesla's really selling. Inside, much of the work is handled by robots, roughly 200 on the Fremont line alone. These robots never break for lunch. They weld, lift, and install with precision humans can't really replicate. It gives Tesla an output edge that other automakers still can't touch. Tesla builds cars in chunks called subassemblies. There's the body shop, paint shop, general assembly, and powertrain. Think of it as 4 parallel tracks all leading to one final vehicle. This modular design is what allows for faster innovation in each section. One of the most overlooked beasts in Tesla's line is the Giga Press. This thing can stamp massive underbody parts in one shot. Fewer parts, fewer welds, fewer issues. That alone shaved hundreds of parts off the Model Y. Huge cost and time saver. Here's the kicker. Traditional assembly uses 70-plus pieces to build a car's rear underbody. Tesla's Giga Press does it with just 2. That's not a tweak. That's a revolution in how cars are made. It increases structural rigidity and changes manufacturing math. But it's not all smooth sailing. Tesla workers have reported stress from constant production ramp-ups. Think of a factory floor more like a treadmill that occasionally goes full sprint. Musk often pushes for production hell, and that doesn't come with AC. A big pain point is changing the design while already in production. Other car makers freeze their blueprint and stick to it. Tesla edits on the fly, which sounds innovative until you realize someone has to teach the robots new moves mid-shift. Every minute matters in the Tesla factory. A delay in one subsystem can ripple through the whole process. That's why the scheduling and supply chain have to be tighter than a drum. A missing part doesn't mean one car waits. It halts a whole stage. Tesla also doesn't rely heavily on dealer networks. So the car basically needs to drive out the door ready to go. That means software checks, battery reports, and even tire pressure gets hit on final checkpoints. It's more tech rollout than test drive. Pro tip, if you ever take a tour, focus on vertical integration. Tesla doesn't just make the car. They've started making the seats, chips, and casting molds. That end-to-end control, that's why Tesla can slice costs and launch models faster than legacy brands. When Tesla says they're building a gigafactory in Mexico, Berlin, Texas, or Shanghai, it's not just a factory. It's an empire node. Imagine each factory as a self-sustaining innovation hub, feeding back into the Tesla hive mind. No one else is playing that game.